Hello everyone, welcome back to our Illuminate pages. Today we are delving into the empowering world of You Can Win by Shiv Khera. Get ready to unlock the secrets of success and embark on a journey towards personal transformation. Lesson 1: The Power of Positive Thinking. In You Can Win, Shiv Khera emphasizes the transformative power of positive thinking. By cultivating a positive mindset, we can overcome obstacles, achieve your goals, and live a fulfilling life. Lesson 2: Setting Goals for Success. Kheda highlights the importance of setting clear and actionable goals. By defining our objectives and creating a roadmap for success, we can stay focused, motivated, and on track to accomplish our dreams. Lesson 3: Building Self-Confidence. You Can Win encourages us to build self-confidence and believe in ourselves. When we believe in our abilities, we exude confidence, attract opportunities, and inspire others to believe in us too. Lesson 4: Overcoming Fear and Rejection. Kheda teaches us to overcome fear and rejection by embracing challenges, taking calculated risks, and learning from setbacks. We can turn obstacles into stepping stones towards success. Lesson 5: Developing Leadership Skills. You Can Win emphasizes the importance of developing leadership skills, whether in business or personal life. Effective leadership enables us to inspire others, foster collaboration, and achieve collective goals. Lesson 6: Cultivating Healthy Habits. Kheda encourages us to cultivate healthy habits for success. By prioritizing self-care, maintaining a balanced lifestyle, and nurturing our physical, mental well-being, we can sustain long-term success and fulfillment. There you have it, key insights from You Can Win by Shiv Khera. Remember, success is not just about winning, it's about becoming a best version of yourself. With determination, perseverance, and positive attitude, you can win in life. Thanks for joining us today on our Illuminate pages. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more motivational content. And until next time, keep striving for success and remember, you have the power to win. Signing off, Maheshwari.